Greetings from the Garden State of New Jersey, and explore, experience, and enjoy Metuchen. It is a beautiful day to be in Jersey, as it is the Spring Street Fair, Sunday, June 11th. I love this quaint little town. Came to Metuchen for the very first time this year just to get a new 5-mile walk in a different location. And it's so easy to get to, the NJ Transit right here. Took the train directly from New York City, Penn Station, Moynihan Train Hall area, under $12 each way. Now, when I was here last time, it was not the Spring Street Fair, so this is a pleasant surprise to see everybody outside with the weather being a little bit warmer.
Over there. Johanna.
Missing some of the essence, though, of the beauty of Metuchen. So let me go over to the sidewalk, because it really is a beautiful location. Clean, very clean. Unique shops, easy to get to. Now, the one thing I did really like, being that we are in the Garden State, is I found that the people who have gardens here have absolutely beautiful gardens. One person chose to have half of their lawn as pachysandra and the other half of the lawn as English ivy, keeping the grass area evergreen throughout the winter season. Never seen that before, other than in Metuchen. Let's go back over to the street fair. Now, when I visited last time, I walked over to South Plainfield, New Jersey. So I visited 2 locations in one day. Looks like there'll be a concert outside. All right, that's just a introduction to Metuchen. I implore you to come and visit for yourself. There'll be farmers markets on Saturdays. All right, I'm going to enjoy the day here in Jersey. Till next time, keep exploring.